With your document open, go to File, then Package. A window will now appear. Click on the Package button on the bottom right. A window will appear asking for your printing instructions. You may ignore this and select Continue. Another window will open. Choose where you would like the file to be saved. Before you select Package, make sure Copy Fonts, Copy Linked Graphics, Update Graphics Links in Package, and Include Fonts and Links from Hidden are checked. Now click on the Package button to complete the packaging of your file. Thank you for watching, and click that subscribe button for more trade show content.